There's sandwiches, and then there's hot ham and cheese sandwiches. You've got hot ham and melty Swiss cheese inside, but the secret is to bake it with a savoury butter poppy seed sauce over the top.
This is a great low-effort, big batch recipe. Get yourself a slab of bread rolls, then cut it in half horizontally. Spread the bread rolls with mustard. I'm talking basic, bright yellow American mustard. Now is not the time to go fancy. Spread it from edge to edge. Then cover the bread with ham. I like to use thinly sliced ham so you can do layer upon layers. Then top with slices of cheese. Swiss cheese is a classic choice, but honestly, you can use anything you want as long as it melts. Then give the cheese a head start in the oven without the lid, else the cheese in the middle rolls won't melt before the ones on the edge get way too crusty and dried out. I don't get why other recipes don't do this. Who wants a hot ham and cheese roll with unmelted cheese? Top with the mustard slathered lid. Yes, this is a mustard forward recipe and it works. For the butter, mix melted butter, chopped onion, poppy seeds, Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper and garlic powder. All these flavours we're adding is what makes these hot ham and cheese rolls so special. Pour it all over the bread, making sure you cover every single inch. Cover with foil and bake for 20 minutes so all that buttery goodness bakes right into the bread. Cut incisions at the intersection to encourage soakage. Again, not a step I've seen in any other recipe, but it totally works. Then bake for 10 minutes uncovered until it's crusty.
So you know why this is so special? Because by keeping all the bread together as it bakes, it's all kind of like bubbly and oozy and keeping all the flavour in there rather than just running down the side.
Cut them up while hot, then pile them high onto a plate. Look at them! Don't you just want to dive straight in? Well, I think I will.
It's so good. It takes a toasted sandwich to another level. Perfect food to make for gatherings. Quick, easy, cheap, and just something a little bit different, you know? I'm sorry, Doza, there's too much onion in this for you. Doza, come on, let's go play. Let's go play, Doza. Come on, let's go play. You can have some of my sushi instead. Shake, shake. Good boy. How good is life of Doza? You get salmon sushi, then you get neck rubs,